Hi friends, this is what is killing your clothes dryer. Yesterday my clothes dryer died, so I assumed it was because of the dirty duct or lint that was stuck in the exhaust duct of the dryer. And this is what I got when I was cleaning. If you think your heater on the dryer is not heating or the clothes are not drying, clean up the duct. This will save you a lot of money for replacing the dryer. This is my lint brush to clean up the duct. It comes in 6 pieces of 2 feet each sticks that can be connected